everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 8, जो कि एक poem है, and its name is Peace. We'll start the discussion of our book exercise by discussing internal questions first. First internal question is, with what the wind is compared? Answer: the wind is compared with a roaring, smashing monster because, like a monster, wind is producing roaring sounds. It is destroying everything coming in its way and is unforgiving in its nature, like a monster. Second internal question is, explain its center is in truth. Answer: Poetess says the true nature of wind is not destructive. Its true center or essence is peace. The reality of wind is not of a monster, but is of a gentle breeze. Thank you.